Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Uh, in this class, we will be learning the concept how many elements does cross product have. I mean to say, if we have two sets A and B, for example, if A has P elements and B has Q elements, then what is the total number of elements that A cross B has? It is noted that I would like to highlight it here. The total number of elements in the cross product is equal to the product of number of elements in A and number of elements in B. That is, if A has P elements, B has Q elements, then A cross B has PQ elements. Okay. However, if we have either of the sets A and B, they are both non-empty sets, and either of the sets A or B is an infinite set, then the total number of elements in A cross B is also infinite. For example, we want to calculate the number of elements in A cross A. That's equal to the number of elements in A into number of elements in A into number of elements in, that follows from this. However, A cross A, its tuples are not called ordered pairs, they are called ordered triplet. So their structure is like this: A comma B comma C, ABC belongs to A, ABC, this is called an ordered triplet. Now, we will go to some examples and some illustrations on these concepts. For example, if P is equal to ABC, Q is equal to R, we are supposed to form the sets P cross Q and Q cross P. See how we can find P cross Q. P cross Q means we have to formulate the ordered pairs of elements of P with the elements of Q. So it's AR, BR, CR. So it's like this. PQ cross product is like this. And QP is, it is RA, RB, RC. It's like this. These are called, since the cross product contains ordered pairs. Ordered pairs means first element, this R belongs to this Q, R belongs to this Q, R belongs to this Q, and this A, this B, and the C, they belong to P. Okay, this is actually the meaning of the cross product. We will go to the concept of triple product, as we have seen above. For example, we have a set P is equal to 1, 2. We are supposed to find P cross P cross P. How can we find? It's very simple. We will write here the triplets. It's 1. For example, we are supposed to first find this P cross P. You first find P cross P. That's 1 into 1, 1 into 2. Sorry, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then find the cross product of this P with the ordered pairs of P cross P. You will find P cross P has the triplets like this. How many elements are there in the triplet product? And they're in the cross product of 3 sets. That means how many triplets are there? That is number of elements in P into number of elements into P, number of elements in P, that's 2 into 2 into 2, that's 8. See, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. A very important concept regarding the geometry, that is, if R is the set of real numbers, what do the Cartesian product R cross R and R cross R cross R represent? R is the real line, R cross R, this represents the two-dimensional space. Okay, this represents the coordinates of all the points in the two-dimensional space. And what does R cross R cross R represent? This represents the coordinates of all the points in the three-dimensional space. Okay, so you may please see all the other examples. Now let's come to the exercise number 2.1. It's here. If A has three elements, B is equal to this. Find the number of elements in A cross B. A has three elements. B has 1, 2, 3 elements. So there are 3 elements in B also. So A cross B has 3 into 3, that's 9 elements. If G is this, H is this, find G cross H. How can we find G cross H? You know, it's the ordered pairs of elements of G with the elements of H. So it is 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. And H, G is first write the elements of H, then elements of G in the ordered pair sense. Okay. If we have to check in the question number 4 whether these statements are true or false. If P is equal to this, Q is equal to this, then P cross Q is equal to this. You can see that P contains 2 elements, Q contains 2 elements, P cross Q contains 4 elements. So this is false statement. They have shown only 2 elements here. So the next question, next part of this question is, A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is non-empty set of ordered pairs XY such that X belongs to, yes, it's correct statement. A is this, B is this, and A cross B intersection phi, that's equal to phi. B intersection, that's phi, yes. A cross phi, that's phi, correct. A is this, you can find the triplets of this triple product that we have seen above. A cross B is equal to this, find A and B. A is the set of elements of the, A is this set of elements, set of first elements of this ordered pair. A is the set of first elements of these ordered pairs, that is A, B. We may not be repeating the elements. And B contains X, Y. It's again X and Y. So A has elements AB and Y. B has elements XY. A is this, B is this, and C is this, and D is this. You have to verify these. You may please do this exercise of your own. A is this, B is this, write A cross B. Very simple. And you can list all these elements. A and B are 2 sets such that N of A is equal to this, N of B is equal to this. You can find the elements. And on the same lines, question number 10, the Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, which are found to be -1, 0 and 0, 1. What are the elements in A cross A? So A has the elements, they are actually this A has the elements that are the first entries of these ordered pairs, that is -1 and 0. But again there is A, so it contains 0, 1. You can see A contains -1, 0. A contains 0, 1. In totality, if we will see, A contains -1, 0, 1. So A has 3 elements and they are -1, 0, 1. So this completes this exercise. I hope you have got this. If there is any query, any question regarding the Cartesian product, the number of elements in the cross product, the equality of elements, equality of the ordered pairs, you can ask in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer your queries. Thank you for joining the class. Thank you once again.